Today, we'll focus on bringing you peace and relaxation, helping you release any stress you may be holding on to. Stress isn't always a bad thing. It can drive us to accomplish our goals. However, when stress becomes a constant in our lives, it can become overwhelming. Take this moment to step away from all your daily worries. Let's start by relaxing the body. Lie down comfortably on your bed or sofa, allowing your arms and legs to rest slightly away from your body. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 2, and slowly exhale through your mouth for a count of 4. Continue this breathing rhythm as your body begins to relax. If you are able, now try to tense all the muscles in your body, from your feet to your neck, and hold this tension for a few seconds. When I say relax, allow your entire body to go limp, letting go of any tension. Are you ready? And relax. Feel your body release completely, becoming soft and light. Continue breathing deeply. Imagine as you inhale, pure, fresh air fills your stomach. Hold the air for a moment, and then slowly release it with a long, controlled exhale. Let's do this once more. As you breathe deeply, notice how your body feels more relaxed as you give yourself the opportunity to unwind. Now, visualize. Imagine a soft, gentle cloud forming beneath your body, lifting you up. This cloud cushions every part of you, softer than any pillow. Above, the sky stretches out in infinite blue. The cloud lifts you higher, carrying you away from any worries, any stress, and all your fears or discomforts. On this cloud, you are completely free. You can look down at the world below, now distant and peaceful. Everything becomes smaller. The fields, the sparkling rivers, small homes, and the glistening lakes. From here, only peace surrounds you. Enjoy this sense of freedom. Take as much time as you like to explore the vast sky, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin. The breeze whispers as it carries you, and in the silence, you find deep peace. This space is your sanctuary, where you can leave behind all worries. Returning. When you are ready, slowly allow the cloud to bring you back, gently returning to where your body lies in deep relaxation. Feel the weight of your body again and focus on your slow, steady breathing. When you feel comfortable, open your eyes at your own pace, carrying this sense of calm with you into your day. And remember, you can always return to this place whenever you need it.